I really want to show you today the eggless fluffy pancake that my son asks for every single morning. It's super yummy and fluffy, so just follow my recipe. 1 cup flour, 2 tablespoons powdered milk, 0 fat, low fat or full fat, half teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla, half teaspoon white vinegar, half teaspoon bicarbonate of soda and full teaspoon of baking powder. And here I have 3/4 cup of water. So first I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients together and mix them very well. Second, I'm going to pour in the water step by step and keep mixing. Now that all of the flour is mixed very well, I'm going to add white vinegar. Now the batter is ready. I'm going to leave it for 2 minutes so that we can have more bubbles inside it and help the vinegar react very well. I have heated a non-stick pan, so I'm going to take a ladle of the pancake and just put it on the heated pan and wait for it to start cooking on the bottom side. You can see how it's making the bubbles. It's going to be a very fluffy pancake. I'm going to wait until the edges become a bit cooked so I can turn it to the other side. Okay, now the bottom side is also cooked. Now it's time to eat.